Understanding photosynthesis, how plants make food. This process is called photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is how green plants prepare food using sunlight, water, and carbon dioxide. This process mainly happens in the leaves of plants. Leaves contain a green pigment called chlorophyll, which traps energy from sunlight. Plants absorb water from soil through roots. Carbon dioxide enters leaves via stomata. Chlorophyll uses sunlight to combine water and carbon dioxide. As a result, plants produce glucose, which is their food. This food gives plants energy to grow and stay healthy. During this process, plants also release oxygen into the air, which is essential for humans and animals to breathe. Photosynthesis is very important because it's the main source of food and oxygen on Earth. Without photosynthesis, life would not be possible. In short, photosynthesis is nature's way of feeding plants and supporting all living things.